At Hands On Physical Therapy, we care both for your recovery as well as for your safety. This is why we enforce the strictest safety CDC and OSHA recommendations. Large open spaces, protective equipment for both patients and therapists, constant space cleaning and sanitization, and even private treatment rooms for your added comfort. And while Hands On Physical Therapy is open and ready to see you in person in our Astoria office, our physical therapy experts can provide telehealth treatments in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Florida, and Maryland. Hands On Physical Therapy has been a pioneer in telehealth, and our founders have educated hundreds of other therapists across the country on the keys to telehealth and physical therapy. If you live in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Florida, or Maryland, schedule now an appointment with us at www.handsonpt.org because we care.